Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you subscribe. नीचे रेड बटन है उसको क्लिक करके मेरे चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें. So, hi fan. You have already read by the title that it's a vlog, the daily vlogs I do. But isn't my makeup too fancy for a vlog? I know that. So I'm starting the vlog now. Yesterday I went for shopping, like literally a shopping to a shopping mall after so many freaking months. I will just play the clip first and then I will talk to you about that. Hi guys, so we are heading out. We are going for shopping after so many days, like so many months. We are going to a mall. So yes, I'm a little bit dressed today. लिपस्टिक पहनने का तो कोई मतलब ही नहीं है, पर फिर भी पहन लिए. So yes.
It's not for me to say you love. It's not for me to say
Outfit of the day.
you love.
Waiting for my dad's pants to get ordered here. You have already seen the clips. So I went to a central mall which is very close to our house. It's the iconic central mall. Then I went there for shopping for Durga Puja. पहले तो कुछ भी पसंद नहीं आ रहा था एंड एट लास्ट मुझे जो अब दोनों कुर्ती एक सूट सेट है जो वाइट वाला था, इट्स अ सूट सेट, तो मुझे वो पसंद आया, मैंने वो लिया. एंड ब्लू वन इज़ अ कुर्ती, सो इट्स अ सिंगल कुर्ती, मैंने वो भी लिया. द वाइट वन इज़ फॉर 3K एंड द ब्लू वन इज़ फॉर 1.2K. तो वो मुझे बहुत पसंद आया. टू दैट द वाइट वन इज़ फ्रॉम द ब्रांड कॉल नवरासा एंड ब्लू वन का ब्रांड अथेसा या कुछ ऐसा कुछ था, आई डोंट रिमेंबर. तो येस, दैट्स व्हाट आई टुक फ्रॉम देयर. फिर पापा ने भी कुछ शॉपिंग वगैरह किया एंड देन वी केम बैक once again. There are a few things I want to talk to you about so I said you guys that I will update you about the Ajio order that I made. So yes, the two products I exchanged, the floral top, I will put a picture here. That floral top is I ordered it in the size M after exchanging from XL. So yes, that was like a perfect fit. M is a perfect fit for me. It fits so well and I literally can breathe in that top, so it's a win-win. And the white one, I don't know guys what's the issue about the white one. Even after ordering like XL, it fits me now. It's like it has a little bit of space but not like an XL. It is not even closer to an XL. Like it's very like M size, like yes, it is M size I like. So I got that red kurti return, like exchange. So I got, मतलब पैसा भी उसका वापस आ गया था within 5 business day में उसका पैसा रिटर्न आ गया था. And yes, that's the update about Ajio haul. So I also ordered like 2 outfit for my sister. I have a sister, she is my maternal sister, like मामा का लड़की है वो. So I will put a picture here. She is just 2 years old. So I was looking for outfits for her and Ajio had like such wonderful outfits for babies. So if you have a cousin or if you are mother, you can go and buy outfit for your babies from Ajio. They are so good. So I ordered 2 outfits. I will put the picture of the outfits and I will also put the picture of my little baby sister, and she is so very much cute. I think you guys have already seen my series on Durga Puja series. I think 2 of the videos went live already, so if you haven't checked, I will put the cards here. Please go and check them. Like festive season is coming and I know you guys are looking for like how to get dressed and you guys are panicking like I don't have any outfit, I don't know how to do my makeup, and I don't know what to do. So don't panic, go and watch those videos. I think it will be helpful for you. And yes, festive season is coming, so much excited. I don't know if this time it will be like the previous years, like we enjoyed without any worries and all, but this year it's so different. We have to wear masks or sanitize even if we go out. So I don't know what is this year going to be, but so obviously we are going to get dressed and all. So yes, I have put 2 videos, so go and check them out. If you guys watched my Good Vibes review and haul video, did you guys? If you haven't, then just first go and watch that video, and then I will tell you what I'm talking about. So yes, I say that I will be reviewing each product individually on my Instagram. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, go and follow me. And also this look is, I think this look is already live on my Instagram, on my IGTV. So go and follow me on Instagram. My ID is here, and also I have put the link on my description. So go and follow me. And I showed you a serum, a hair serum in that product, in that haul. So it's a coconut and argan oil hair serum, which claim that it will help in removing your frizz and also provide nourish to your hair. So I said that it will be better if I use it after a wash. So here will be the clips of me using it after washing, and to be honest, it literally helped me. Like the day I wash my hairs are very frizzy, they get like super frizzy, but this time it was like less frizzier. It nourished, I think it provided some kind of nourishment to my hair, and my hairs felt better than other wash days. So yes, I think this product works very well. So again, one product to my recommendation is this argan oil. If you have a frizzy hair, so you can go with this serum. I don't know if this vlog is going to be a super long vlog. I'm very sorry for that, but yes, that is what it is. Signing off, goodbye.